alone in my sorrow and dead in my sin, lost without hope with no place to begin. Your love made a way to let mercy come in. When death was arrested and my life began, ash was redeemed, only beauty remained. And my orphan heart was given a name. The morning grew quiet, my feet rose to dance. That's when death was arrested and my life began. Your grace so free washes over me. You have made me new, now life begins with you. It's your endless love pouring down on us. You have made us new, now life begins with you. Released from my chains, I'm a prisoner no more. My shame was a ransom me faithfully bore. He canceled my debt and he called me his friend. Washes over me. You have made me new, now life begins with you. It's your endless love pouring down on us. You have made us new, now life begins with you. A Savior displayed on a criminal's cross. Darkness rejoiced as though heaven had lost. But then Jesus arose with our freedom in hand. That's when death was arrested and my life began. Over me, you have made me new, now Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Death Was Arrested by North Point. If you liked some of the advanced guitar chords that you saw throughout this cover, there's a link to a tutorial on this arrangement down in the description below, but there's also a link to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.